Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is based on how to fix page isn't available right now on Instagram. In this following video, I'll be showing you how you can fix issues like page isn't available on Instagram. So if you're encountering the page isn't available right now issue on Instagram, it can be frustrating, but there are steps you can resolve. So in order to fix it, the first major issue might be your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and active internet connection. Poor network connectivity can lead to this kind of error. So approximately for 20 seconds, turn on your flight mode or enable a flight mode, and that might be able to fix the issue. After doing that, make sure that you're connected to a stable internet connection, and you might be able to do it. After checking your internet connection, you might want to log out of your device. So logging out of your device, go to your profile and tap on the three dot icon, go to settings. After that, scroll down right to the bottom, click on log out, and once you've logged out of your account, you might also want to update your application. For that, go to Play Store and on the search box type in Instagram. As soon as you type in Instagram, you can either see update or open. If you see update, wait for the application to be updated. After updating your application, open up your Instagram application, log in into your account, and that might be able to solve your issue all at once. If none of these seems to be working, you can also check account status. Make sure your Instagram account is in good standing. If your account has been temporarily or permanently disabled by Instagram due to violation of their terms of services, you might see this kind of error. So make sure that you have received any sorts of emails such as violations, and you might be able to find an issue to solve it. Apart from it, you can also use different devices. Sometimes the issue might not be on the application, but the device might have some problems, so you can just go ahead and try login into a different device. You might be able to fix it. If this was also not working, if login into a different device is also not working, what else you can do is you can directly get a help of a contact support. So for that, you need to go ahead and open up a web browser, and then on the search box type in Instagram support team. You might find an email, and you'll be able to find the instructions on how you can actually just cope up with this issue. So you'll need to type in your issue, and you might be able to solve your issue all at once. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.